Hello everyone, my name is Vidya. I am from my at January batch. So today I like to discuss a topic which is very important, which is interfaces in Java. So interfaces belongs to abstraction. So what is abstraction? Abstractions means hiding the implementation detail from the user. It is a abstraction is the one of the pillar of a OOPS. So abstractions means hiding the implementation detail from the user is known as abstraction. And in abstraction we have two parts. One is a abstract class or another one is a interfaces. So what is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding the implementation detail from the user. Means just take a real life example. Just we have a GUI interfaces of a login sign up system. So in login sign up system we have a user, one is username and a password, and then login or sign up. So the user directly click on he if he if he is registered, then he directly the user directly put the login and sign up password and username, and then click on the login and he automatically go to the dashboard. But he didn't know how internally login and sign up works, how the data store, and he doesn't know the internal working of the thing. Just like we take a real life example, just like a car. We only know how to drive a car, but we didn't know that how engine and other things works in a car. So it is also the example of interfaces or abstraction. Abstraction is a interface is a part of abstraction. So we let's discuss about the what is interfaces. Interfaces is same as our concrete classes, concrete class, but in interface we have a methods that are methods are declared but not have a definition. These type of methods in interfaces we have methods that only have the declaration part but not the definition part. And in interfaces the methods are by default uh, private, so we cannot access directly through it. And one of the topic which in our inheritance that are not supported, which are supported in interfaces, which are multiple inheritance, because if we perform that in concrete classes, then a diamond problem or a ambiguity that will occur, because at a time we can't access two parent class at a time. So in that concrete class we didn't access, that's why we use the interface. But in interface we can extend two interfaces at a time. So it is implement using through the keyword implements. And the methods are declared in the if you want to use that method which are defined in the interfaces, but that doesn't only declared in the interfaces but not have a definition, then we if we want to use, then we define it into the concrete class, other concrete class, and then we can run that we can use that methods. And that's all about the interfaces. And interface means we in interface we have only the method declaration but not the definition. And by default methods are abstract and private in interfaces. So interfaces are very useful, means so interfaces means hiding the implementation detail from the user. Just like we take an example of interface, just like we drive a car. We know that a car has two wheels, or that how to drive a car, but we didn't know how the engine works inside that. They are hiding from the user. So that's the best example of interfaces. So interface is implements through the keyword implements, and we can extend extend it through the concrete class, and we can in a interfaces the methods are by default abstract, and we didn't have to use the keyword abstract in the interfaces, and methods are by default private, and in interfaces the methods body are uh, not mention, only the declaration part of the method are available in the interfaces. So if we want to use that methods, then we have to uh, define that method in the other concrete class. So interface is a very important topic in OOPS programming, OOPS concept, and means abstractions means it is a part of abstraction. Interface means hiding the implementation detail from the user, is known as a interface, or a interface perform the work of abstraction. Just like what is interface? Interfaces means the it is same as a concrete class. Its works also same as a concrete class, but some little bit different. In interfaces, the methods are by default private, and the method doesn't have a body, and we didn't have to require the keyword abstract for methods, because by default all the method in abstraction are all the method in interface are abstract. So that's all about the interface.